Welcome to this overview of Salesforce Agentforce, the solution designed to revolutionize your customer service operations. We're going to dive into what Agentforce is, who it's for, and the incredible benefits it brings to both your agents and your customers. Salesforce Agentforce is a comprehensive service solution built to empower your customer service agents, making their work more efficient and effective. This product is specifically for service agents and support teams, with the core purpose of enhancing agent productivity and improving the overall customer experience. Let's explore the key features and benefits that make Agentforce a game changer. Agentforce provides a streamlined service console, featuring an intuitive design and easy navigation for faster and more accurate case handling. It offers a unified, 360-degree view of the customer, including all past interactions, history, and preferences right at the agent's fingertips. With AI-powered next best actions and recommendations, agents receive predictive guidance to deliver optimal service outcomes every time. A major focus of Agentforce is significantly increasing agent productivity. It automates routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up agents to focus on more complex and high-value customer interactions. Integrated knowledge management ensures agents have instant access to relevant articles and solutions, speeding up resolution times.
By streamlining processes and providing key resources, Agentforce dramatically improves case resolution speed and first contact resolution rates. The benefits extend directly to enhancing the customer experience. Customers receive highly personalized and consistent service delivery, building trust and loyalty. Agentforce supports omni-channel service, allowing seamless transitions and consistent experience across all channels like voice, chat, email, and social media. Now let's touch upon the simplicity of deployment and integration. The platform boasts an ease of setup and configuration, enabling your team to get up and running quickly with minimal downtime. Agentforce is built to integrate seamlessly with your existing Salesforce ecosystem, including Service Cloud, maximizing your investment. In conclusion, Agentforce is a robust tool for the modern service center. Agentforce ultimately means more productive agents and significantly happier customers, driving better business outcomes. Ready to transform your customer service? Contact your Salesforce representative for a full demo and next steps.